What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money, back at it again with another video on the G35. So how's it going, everybody? Hopefully you're having a great day and wearing your mask. So on today's video, I'm going to install a radar detector on the G35. So pretty much the radar detector that I had for the G35, I actually had it for 4 years, and it did its job. But it finally gave out, so I had to get another one. So I do have another radar detector, but instead of doing it the way I did the install on the previous radar detector, where I was using the cigarette lighter, the 12 volt little port, on this one I'm going to do an install to the fuse box. So I'm going to give it more of a cleaner install, kind of hide the wires so that way it looks clean. That way I'm not using my cigarette lighter. I'll be able to utilize it for something else. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that, and hopefully this video helps you out. And if not, I'm sorry I wasted your time. But yeah, I've been needing a radar detector on my car. I have the need for speed, so yeah. And if your state doesn't allow radar detectors, well then sorry about that. But if you do, well then let's get this video started. As you can see, guys, this is the radar detector that I got. The 7100 Cobra. Nothing fancy, but it still does the job. Got that off of eBay for real cheap. And then to directly wire it up, I got this power cord. So as you can see, this will pretty much just go directly wired, and I won't have to use my cigarette lighter, so that way I can still be able to have this closed and utilize it for something else. But that's pretty much the setup I have. And then, like I said, it comes with a little fuse right there, so not a bad deal. But yeah, let me show you how I'm going to do this install, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so pretty much, guys, you're gonna take off this piece. If you have a a plastic tool or something where you can get your fingers back there, then use it. But pretty much you're just gonna hide this wire back here, let it fall back there, like that. And then what you're gonna want to do is take off this little A pillar right here, this little pillar, pull it out like that. That way you could hide the wire back here. Okay, and then you're gonna have your wire right here. You're gonna bring it right here and hide it between the weather guard and your dash, just like that. And then right here with your cover, you're gonna put the wire, pick that up, and pretty much just get it right there, so that way it's already where it needs to be. So I'm going to put all this in there, and then get it all the way to where the pedals are at. That way it's gonna be hanging from down here. See? So I just fed it through, and then you're just gonna close it back up, just like that. And then put your pillar back on. But you're gonna make sure that you don't pinch it. So you want to get it out of the way, and it's gonna look like pretty much like that. So nice and clean. And I'm gonna put my pillar back on, just like that. So as you can see, the wire is going to be ready for me to terminate down here. Alright, so now I pretty much got the wire right here where the fuse box is at, as you can see. But in order to find the screw to ground this, I'm going to take this off. So the screw that I have right there is a 7/16. Right there, 7/16. Take that off. I can pull this out. I need to find where I could ground this. So, like that. Pull that off. Alright, so I just gotta find a ground, which seems like there's a ground right here. That way I can, you know, put my ground wire. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, now that I got that cover off, I found the ground right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna, you know, use my ground to ground it off. And then once I do that, I'll plug these in, and then I'll be able to plug this in my fuse box. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright everybody, so if you're looking at your all your controls for the fuses, this is upright. As you can see, it says up right here. So you just go to the cigarette lighter. So that's a 15 amp, and as you can see, I landed it right there. Pulled out the 15 amp and put my new connection in. That 10 amp right next to it, that's for the mirror, and then the next one after that is power socket. So you're gonna notice where it goes, because it's right next to the fuse puller, and then it'll be your 15 amp. So as you can see, I already have it all connected. So I'm just gonna, you know, put everything back together, and then we're gonna go to the dash, and then we'll look at it from there. Okay, so you're gonna put this piece back on. I actually didn't have to take it off. I was planning on putting it like right here to hide it, but looks like right there will be pretty good. So as you can see, it's all hidden. Nice clean install. So now all we gotta do now is just open up this little bracket, mount the radar on, and see if it works. So I'm gonna do that right now. So that's pretty much the final look, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. If you think it looks, you know, pretty good. If you like it, if you don't like it. If you think it looks like crap, it don't matter. It won't hurt my feelings. But I just thought I would do it like this, because the way I had it before, with the wires coming out right here. Now, like I said, I was able to hide the wires before, but then from right here to here, all the wires were exposed, and then, you know, of course I had to have this open. So now that that's closed, nothing's exposed, it looks, you know, a lot like a cleaner install. And then, you know, you can't even see the wires. So if you have a G35 and your state allows you to have a radar, I would recommend, you know, doing this install, because not only does it look clean, but it's real simple and easy to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And then, you know, once you turn on your car, the radar automatically kicks on. Now you have the option to, you know, turn the radar off, so that way every time you're turning on your car, it doesn't always turn on. But, you know, I like leaving it on. And then you know, you can just take the radar off and then just leave the suction cup up, and that's pretty much it. Let the wire, you know, hang right there. But let me know in the comments down below if y'all like the way it came out. I just thought it'd be a little simple install to share with y'all guys. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, like always, put that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Got more content coming out on the G35. And that's pretty much it. Share the video and hit that notification bell. So it's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.